Axios, Telegram bot module for creating a managing of the Telegram bot, and the Axios for HTTP client for making API calls. Next is the setup bot and API tokens. Telegram bot token for from the Telegram bot, and weather API from the Open Weather Map. Next is creating bot instance. It is a polling method. Initializes the bot with the polling enables allow you to listen for the incoming messages and commands. Next is handling of the bot. The handling of the bot listens the start command, extracts the chart ID of the user. Next, it sends the welcome message with the instructions. Next is handle city names. Listens to the general message assumed, extracts the start ID and the city name from the message. Ignores the commands like start, fetch weather data. The main usage of the fetch weather data is it sends the get request from the Open Weather API with city, weather API key, and units. City, user provides city name, and weather API key is from the Open Weather app, and the unit and metrics is ensures the temperature in is the in Celsius of the particular city, and it stores the API response in the data. Next is the extract key. The main formation of the extract key is the weather, temperature, feels like, and the humidity. Weather, a brief description of the current weather conditions, and the temperature is it indicates the current temperature. And the next is feels like. It gives the temperature how it feels like, whether it is cold or hot. And next is the humidity. It gives the humidity percentage. Next is the send weather info to the user. The sent weather user gives the format and sends the weather details back to the user using Markdown for formatting. It gives the city name and country, weather condition, current temperature, feels like temperature, humidity percentage, as I mentioned before, like the brief description about the current weather conditions, current temperature, revised temperature, and the humidity percentage. Next is handling the errors. Catches the handle errors such as invalid city names, API request failures. Send an error message to the user as unable to fetch weather. Please make sure the city name is correct or not. Let me show you the demo of this and execution part. Next, go to the files and see where you have saved your file. Here I have saved it as weather s. Now go to your files and weather s and remember your file details. Next cmd as command prompt. I'm running in the command prompt. And next node and your file name. And there was no errors, then it's executing correctly. Go to your telegram and let me show you the execution of this part as well. Go to the Podfather and click on the start. It gives the pop-up message of the default message as new bot. Next, we have to give a unique chart as I mentioned before, like weather demo as my chart and my bot as weather. And let me click on my link which was I provided. Next, click on the start and gives the pop-up message as the city name. You have to find the city name as I'm giving Bhimavaram. It pop-ups the message as condition, temperature, feels like, and the humidity. Let me give the wrong username. It shows the unable to fetch weather as it is default key. This is how you execute your Node.js using weather chatbot. Thank you.